You walk into a room, spray an air freshener, and for a moment, it smells good. But then, just minutes later, the scent fades. Worse, beneath that perfume, the odors still linger. What if I told you that these expensive sprays don't actually freshen the air at all, and that there's a natural trick so powerful, you'll never need to buy air fresheners again? Before I reveal this shocking truth, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Because once you learn this, you'll never look at fresh air the same way again. Why air fresheners are a lie. Air fresheners don't clean the air, they mask it. Chemicals coat your nose, tricking your brain into ignoring bad smells. But the source of the odor, bacteria, mold, stale air, remains. Over time, those chemicals build up in your home, affecting your health. Headaches, allergies, even asthma symptoms can worsen. And yet, we keep buying them, chasing freshness that never truly arrives. The shocking alternative. The secret isn't in hiding odors, it's in eliminating them at the root. And the best part? You can do it with ingredients already in your kitchen. Baking soda, vinegar, lemon, and essential oils. Simple, natural, and unbelievably effective. Together, they don't just mask odors, they destroy them. Hack number 1. The baking soda jar. Take a small jar, fill it with baking soda, and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Poke holes in the lid and place it in any room. The baking soda absorbs odors silently, while the oil releases a gentle fragrance. Unlike sprays, this doesn't fade in minutes. It works for weeks. Hack number 2. Simmer pot magic. Want your whole home to smell incredible? Boil a pot of water with slices of lemon, a cinnamon stick, and a few cloves. The steam carries natural fragrance through your house, replacing stale air with cozy, uplifting freshness. Hack number 3. Vinegar neutralizer. Strong odors, like smoke or cooking, cling stubbornly. Fill a bowl with white vinegar and leave it in the room overnight. By morning, the smell is gone. Not covered. Gone. Vinegar neutralizes odors at a molecular level, leaving the air truly fresh. Hack number 4. Essential oil spray. Mix water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 10 drops of essential oil in a spray bottle. Shake well and use it like a natural air freshener. Unlike store-bought sprays, this blend eliminates odors. Hack number 5. DIY carpet and fabric freshener. Sprinkle baking soda mixed with a few drops of essential oil on carpets, couches, or mattresses. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum. The result? Soft fabrics that smell like new, free of hidden odors. No artificial perfumes, just genuine freshness. Please leave us a comment below telling us about your favorite homemade air freshener. We really do love to hear from you. The emotional payoff. Now imagine this. You walk into your living room, not greeted by a fake perfume cloud, but by true freshness. Clean air, light scents. No chemicals, no headaches. You breathe deeply and feel calm, safe, proud. That's the power of natural air care. It doesn't just freshen your home, it freshens your mood. The bigger lesson, and maybe this is bigger than air. Isn't life the same? We try to mask problems instead of solving them. We spray over stress, cover up mistakes, distract ourselves from reality. But the truth is, real solutions come when we go to the root. Just like odors. Don't mask. Eliminate. That's where freedom is found. So, the next time you reach for an air freshener, pause. Instead, try the baking soda jar, the simmer pot, the vinegar bowl, or the essential oil spray. Each hack is natural, powerful, and lasting. They don't just cover smells, they erase them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful and unconventional hacks that make your home fresher, healthier, and stress-free. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because once you discover this, you'll never waste money on air fresheners again.